welcome back to my channel. It's Issa Filipina. In today's video, I'm gonna show you an unboxing of baby boxes that I got from BabyList, Amazon, and Walmart. So Walmart baby box, I got it when I made a baby registry from Walmart, and then after that they're gonna send you a baby box samples and whatever they put in the baby box, and they will deliver it to your address. And then BabyList, you're also going to make a baby registry. You're gonna pay for the shipping for the BabyList, and the box is for free. Shipping is $9.99. And the Amazon, you have to make a baby registry and check all the checklists, and someone or you have to buy minimum of $10 from the baby registry so that they will give you an eligibility to get a $35 worth of baby box. So let's start with Walmart. So this is how the baby box of Walmart looks like. Is it way too bright? This is how it looks like, the baby box from Walmart, and says knock knock, who's there? No, knock knock, who's here? Walmart baby registry. So I'm glad that Walmart is doing this. So as you can see, it's already open. My husband opened it as soon as we got it. He was so excited. So it says here, welcome. No, Walmart.com special delivery, a bundle of joy for you and your little one. And so you can see there is some papers here. It gives you a guide or a website about the detergent for the baby's clothes, and also Medela pump. It will also give you a code and informations about the breast pump and what's the benefit of it. And we got a tiny cold tablets. So that's a sample full tablet for the tiny cold whatever. And here we got a stroller and car seat buying guide. So it comes with choices of car seats and which one is which, and the comparison of each car seats and strollers. And it also has a code so that you could take a picture of it from the app and you could find it right away. Next thing is we have Dr. Brown's Natural Flow anti-colic bottle. Use with or without vent. So I'm gonna open it. This is how it looks like. It still kind of looks bright. So I'm gonna open it, and this is how it looks like from the inside. A milk bottle with a straw, which I call it, but it calls vent. Huge milk bottle. We have cards. It says 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4, 3, 4, and so on until the 12. And I walked today, I crawled today, I stood up today. You can just put whatever you want to put it there. This one's really cute, and you could use this when the baby is already, achieving each month. So I'm gonna 6, 7, 8. So next thing is we have Huggies special delivery diapers. It's how many diapers? 3 diapers up to 14 pounds or 6 kilograms. And also we have Pampers, Swaddlers. This is just one sample of diaper. We have a really cute pacifier right here. We have Johnson's newborn wash shampoo and newborn face and body lotion. Really cute samples. I'm really excited to use that. We also have Pampers wipes, 6 wipes for sensitive skin. And this one's water wipes, 10 wipes. Free coupon on reverse. Ooh, can't wait to open that. And the last two that we have left are the detergent. This one's all with stain lifters. And this one's draft, stage 1, newborn. So this is what I'm gonna use before I pack up my hospital bag. So that's what we all got from Walmart. Really grateful for that. You know, in my country, in the Philippines, like, we don't have samples like this. You really have to buy everything from your pocket. So this is huge help for people who are starting to have family. Second box is, oh my gosh, my battery is dying right now. Second box is we have from BabyList, and this is how it looks like. Hello BabyBox, hashtag hello BabyBox, BabyList. And as you open it, this is how it's gonna look like. And we're gonna open it. So as you open it, there is a Pampers changing pad. I'm gonna put it right here so you guys can see. Changing pad. And we have another Huggies special delivery diapers, 3 diapers. We also have save $4. See inside for details. Okay, it says 8 to 14 pounds, size 1. Life is about creating memories. We're about capturing them. And baby's first year. Today I got my Hello Baby box. So cute. Babies go through 5 to 8 diapers each day. Okay, so we got I believe this is Pampers, right? So they gave us 1 sample. They also gave us some tips on how to download their Pampers Club application and how to get rewards when. So my battery died. Anyways, where were we? So we have some of these cards that helps you. So we have Pampers wipes for sensitive skin, 6 wipes, a mini book of coupons. So if you buy Pampers, Draft, Dawn Ultra, and Cascade, you'll have $1.50 off, $1 off from Pampers, and $2 off from Draft, and 25 cents off from Dawn, and so on. So we got a Nano Bebe. Is that how you pronounce it? Nano Bebe. Newborn Essentials. Best invention of the year. A radical new baby bottle. That's how it looks like. What's inside? Nursing pad, breast milk storage bags, flexi pacifier from 0 to 3 months, newborn essentials, coupon booklets. Got inside. There's 3 plastic, what you call that again? Breast milk storage bag. And a pacifier and 2 breast pads. Also, we got another draft detergent, another pacifier from Even Flow. There we go. We have samples from Lancina disposable nursing pads and 2 breast milk storage bags. Also, we got water wipes again, and this one's 10 wipes. We got a baby bottle from Even Flow. We got baby lotion. We got another baby pacifier. This one's green. Wait, is it way too bright? Okay, this one's green and this one's white. So what's the difference? This one's Chico and this one is Boone. So I have a lot of pacifier now. This one is a gift card from Yumi, and it's worth $35. Ooh, your code hello baby. We got oats and honey. What is this? Protein bar or something? Or lactation bar? Granola bar. Also, we got another one from the Honest Company, wet wipes. We have 10 from this one. And the last one that we got here is cards. It says baby needs lots of love and a few things too. So we got sayings from inside. Okay, so what is this one? So I don't understand. It has like your baby need lots of love and a few things too, and it's like that in every cards. I was expecting like it would say like first step, first month, you know, stuff like that, just like the Walmart has, but this one's, I don't know. Last box that we have is from Amazon. So this is how it looks like, and as you open it, I'm gonna put it right here so you see. So we have a muslin swaddle blanket. Looks like this. Feels good. Baby bottle from Avent. I don't know. We also have a diaper from 7th generation, size 1, and I think this one has 3 inside. We also have another detergent again from Draft, and we have 1C from Moon and Back by Hannah Anderson. This one is really cute, and the quality of this cloth is next level. It says a beautiful crafted collection for baby and toddler, made super soft and safe for your little one's skin from the purest organically grown cotton. Once feels so soft. Munchkin portable disposable diaper pail. So it's like a diaper genie, but this one's disposable. So I want a diaper genie but not a disposable one, but this one's really helpful. And we have baby wash and shampoo from Cetaphil, breastfeeding guide. So this one is from Avon again. It comes with 2 disposable breast pads, so it's just 2 disposable breast pads. And this one is from 7th generation again, free and clear wipes. It comes with 10 wipes inside. What's left is the Aveeno Baby Daily Moisture Lotion. Gosh, my light is too bright. I can't. I adjusted it already. And this one is a guide on how to get a BabyBox from Amazon. And also I want to show you what I got from Amazon aside from all of this box that I got for free, except for the BabyList. Of course, I have to pay for $9.99 for shipping, but that wasn't bad because I got a $35 gift card from Yumi. And I want to show you this baby diaper that I got from Amazon. This is for free too, and I really like it because it's huge and there's a lot of space inside. And it comes with another changing pad and a mini bag for some little kits, or I don't know what you're gonna put inside here, but maybe like some diapers and some nail clippers or something like that. It also comes with this thing where you can hang this bag in your stroller, and it has a secret pocket right here, a big secret pocket inside. It's really soft. And over here there is another 2 secret pockets for diapers, for some blankets and baby shirts. You know, it's really spacious inside. And so we also have a thing for the wet wipes where you put it right here, and another zipper. There's a lot. Oh, there's wait. Oh, okay. Lifetime warranty. I thought it's another coupon. And actually, there's a lot of zipper. I love it. So that's it for now. I am really excited until the baby's out. I hope you guys like this video. If you have further questions about Amazon BabyBox, BabyList, and the Walmart BabyBox, please comment down below. And also I have another Target BabyBox that's still on the way, and I'm going to make a comparison of Amazon BabyBox versus Target BabyBox. And right now I am 34 weeks and 4 days, so I still have like 5 or 6-ish weeks left until the baby's out. I hope you guys leave a thumbs up on this video, and I hope you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for the people who subscribe on my YouTube channel. I still have 100 subscribers left until I reach 1,000 subscribers, and I hope you guys subscribe in this channel. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next vlog.